Are you ready to experience the ultimate office makeover? Get ready to be blown away. Our team has gone above and beyond to give this Las Vegas local credit union a complete facelift that will leave you speechless. We've repainted the walls with a rainbow of their corporate colors that pop with energy and excitement. We have also added brand new cabinets and countertops to their break room. Now it's a perfect spot to unwind during those busy days. The WestStar Credit Union Office has been transformed into a space that radiates positivity and joy, and we couldn't be more thrilled with the result. From the moment you step through the doors, you'll feel energy pulsating through the air. They have spared no expense in creating a space that will inspire creativity, collaboration, and success. So whether you're a member of the credit union team or simply visiting their office, you'll be greeted with a space that's as welcoming as it is functional. Don't just take our word for it. Watch and you'll see for yourself and experience the vibrant new space that we've created. We are confident you won't be disappointed. If you are looking for commercial, multifamily, residential painting, or contracting work, please call MMG today, 702-329-1116.